Strong, healthy joints are the secret sauce behind every step, squat, stretch I do. But let's be real. Age injuries sitting too much can make my joints stiff or achy. It can really slow me down. But here's the good news. Supporting your joints, cartilage, and ligaments isn't rocket science. It's about simple habits, done consistently. Let's dive into a few easy steps I use daily to keep my body moving smoothly. First up, hydration. Water is literally the oil for my body's engine. Cartilage is about 80% water, so if I'm not sipping enough, my joints start to feel dry and creaky. I aim for at least 8 cups a day and more if I'm active or sweating. Next, I focus on movement, swimming, cycling, brisk walking. They keep my joints lubricated and my ligaments strong without extra strain. I add a few minutes of morning stretching to keep flexibility in check. What about food? Omega-3s, salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, since they help fight inflammation. Collagen-rich choices. Bone broth collagen supplement can also support cartilage health. Vitamin C, peppers, oranges, strawberries. It's vital for collagen production and tissue repair. Finally, I pay attention to my posture and avoid overdoing repetitive movements. If I'm working at a desk, I take stretch breaks and check my setup to keep my joints happy. The bottom line, small, mindful changes make a huge impact on joint health. By staying hydrated, moving with intention, fueling my body right, and listening to it, I'm building a foundation for an active, pain-free life. What's one habit you'll start today? Let me know in the comments.